So dear friends, if you want to check your Instagram screen time, here in this video I'm gonna show you two ways to check your screen time. Not only the Instagram screen time, but also you can check the screen time of all the applications that have been installed on your phone. Okay? Follow the same process to check the screen time of other applications too. So without further ado, let's get started. In the first method, go to your phone settings. Now look for an option, apps. This is the apps option, so click on it. And then from this application list, find out the Instagram application. So click on Instagram. Now you see a screen time option here, so click on it. Now see my today's screen time is 2 minutes. But if you want to see the weekly screen time, just click on weekly option here. Now say this is my weekly screen time, 21 minutes. And in the second method, what to do? Just click on Instagram and hold for a few seconds like this. Now you see a small eye button here at the top right corner, so click on it. Again, you will get the same options, just click on screen time. So these are the two ways to check your Instagram screen times. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.